Want to invest in crypto? Great. But before you do, you need to understand how to store it safely. Imagine you bought a Bitcoin when its price was just $1 and then losing it all when it hit $100,000. Just because you didn't store it properly. This happens more often than you think. One wrong move, one lost key, and boom, everything's gone. That's why in this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about crypto wallets, hot versus cold, how they work, how to protect your assets, and how to use tools like MetaMask like a pro. This is your full beginner's guide in simple terms. So, what are crypto wallets? In simple terms, wallets are where your cryptocurrencies live, but they don't hold coins like a leather wallet. They hold keys, digital keys, that give you access to your crypto. And if someone else gets your key, they own your crypto. Now let's break wallets down into two categories, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. Think of apps like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or exchanges like Binance. They're easy to use, great for beginners, and allow fast transactions. But they're online, and that makes them vulnerable to hackers. On the other hand, cold wallets are offline. Devices like Ledger or Trezor, no internet connection, means they're almost impossible to hack. Perfect for long-term storage, but they're less convenient. If you're a regular trader, hot wallets make sense. If you're holding crypto for years, cold wallets are your safest bet. Quick tip, never share your private key or seed phrase with anyone. That's like giving away your vault password. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like this video. It really helps more beginners like you learn safely. So which wallet should you choose? If you're just starting, try MetaMask to get a feel for how wallets work. Once you start investing serious money, look into a hardware wallet like Ledger. And remember, losing access to your wallet means losing your money. So back up your seed phrase somewhere safe, offline. No screenshots, no cloud storage. Write it, hide it, protect it. Now that you understand where to store your crypto, it's time to go deeper. Check out my video on Blockchain Explained right after this. It's the foundation of how all crypto works. And if you learned something new today, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and stay safe on your crypto journey.